Does the idea of using the DC Metro intimidate you? Today we'll show you step by step how we use the Metro rail system in the DC area to help make our detours around town convenient. This system covers most of the district and surrounding parts of Virginia and Maryland. You pay by the distance you travel, with a flat fee on weekends at the time of the making of this video. The website will help you plan a trip before you leave, but you can easily use the map at the station to plot your itinerary. You can look for the black signs with white lettering to denote a station. There are elevator entrances, but check in advance to make sure your station's elevators are in service. One key thing to note is that on the escalator, you should stand to the right. The left side is used as a passing lane for those who are walking up in a hurry. You'll need a Smart Trip card or download the app to load a digital card. To get a card or to add money to your existing card, there are machines at the entrance to the station. Tap the card and use the buttons to add money. The fare will depend on how far you are going and what time of day it is. The rush hour times in the morning and afternoon have higher fares. There are fare amounts listed above the machines. Also, make sure to note what the final stop is on the line in the direction you are heading. Take your cards and head to the turnstiles. Tap your card or your device with the app, then keep it handy to tap again at your destination. The signs by the track will give you key information about which side of the track to wait. The first letters tell you which color line the incoming trains will be. The center words tell you the final stop on the line, which is crucial info to know which way the train is heading. The last number tells you how many minutes until the train will arrive. Make sure to stand away from the track as you wait and allow the passengers to exit before you hop on. And off you go! You'll need to tap your card to exit the station at your destination. Head on out to enjoy a fun detour. Check out our channel for more tips and fun ideas for DC detours.